Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add watermark in Google Sheets. So get ready started. Firstly, in this video, I will show that add watermark in Google Sheets. Now, firstly, going to the new tab, then open your Canva. Now, in paste, this space is from the any text, the type, the watermark is from the type in the text, then size, then align the text, now click with the transparency, then choose color, now click with the share option, then for shape, now click with the transparent background, now for download, then now again going to the Google Sheets file, now going to the insert menu option, then click with the image option, now click with the insert image overall over cell option, then click with the browse option, then choose the text, that's it. Then I show add watermark in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.